Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change display color temperature on your Red Magic Astra tablet. To do that, we're gonna have to go to settings, then in settings select display on the sidebar, then go to color mode and temperature, and here we can select one of the color modes, so the colorful or the standard one or the soft one. And here we can adjust the temperature by either selecting the spot on this sphere or adjusting it using the slider beneath. So we can use a warm temperature, normal temperature, or cooler temperature of the color. And that's pretty much how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.